In this session, we will study adjoint of a matrix. But before that, we will study what is cofactor of an element of a matrix. Suppose this is our matrix A. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3 and C3. We will find cofactor of each element of this matrix. So, this is matrix A. So, this is determinant of A. And these are corresponding signs of this determinant. Order of this determinant is 3 by 3. So, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So, these are corresponding signs. So, now we will first find cofactor of this first element, A1. Now, for A1, corresponding sign is plus. So, plus. Now, A1 is in first row and first column. So, first row. So, 1 and first column. So, 1. So, cofactor of this element A1 is denoted by C11. Because first row and first column. Corresponding sign plus. A1 is in first row and first column. So delete first row and first column. So it will be B2, C2, B3, C3. So determinant of B2, C2, B3, C3. So this is cofactor of A1. Then next we will find cofactor of the second element, B1. Now B1 is in first row, second column. So 1, 2. So C12 is equal to, now corresponding sign of this B1 is minus. So minus, and B1 is in first row, second column. So delete first row and second column. So it is A2, C2, A3, C3. So determinant of A2, C2, A3, C3. So this is C12. Like this, we can find C13, C21, C22, C23, then C31, then C32, and then C33. So all these cofactors of an element of a matrix we can find. Now we'll see what is adjoint of a matrix. So adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a square matrix is the transpose of the matrix formed by cofactors of elements of determinant. So here, to find adjoint of a matrix, first we find cofactors of a matrix. Then we will form a matrix of cofactors. And transpose of that matrix is called adjoint of a matrix. Now we will solve some sums so that you will understand better. So first sum, find the adjoint of matrix 4 minus 3 2 minus 1. So let A is equal to matrix 4 minus 3 2 minus 1. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of 4 minus 3 2 minus 1, and the corresponding signs are plus, minus, minus, plus. These are corresponding signs of this determinant. So now we'll find cofactors. So first C11. Now 4, corresponding sign is plus. So plus, and 4 is in first row and first column. So delete first row and first column. So it is minus 1. So minus 1. So plus minus is minus. So it is minus 1. So it's C11. Then we will find C12. Means this element, minus 3. Now corresponding sign is minus. So minus, and minus 3 is in first row, second column. So delete first row and second column. So it is 2. So 2. So minus 2. Then C21. So this element corresponding sign is minus. So minus, and it is in second row, first column. So delete second row and first column. So it is minus 3. So minus 3. So minus minus is plus 3. Then next is C22. So C22 means this element. Minus 1. Corresponding sign is plus. Then it is in second row, second column. So just delete second row and second column. So the element is 4. So 4. So plus 4. So these are cofactors of the matrix. So now we will form matrix of cofactor. We generally denote matrix of cofactors by P. So P is equal to matrix of cofactor. So how to write matrix of cofactors? We will start with C11. So C11, C12, then C21 and C22. So C11 means minus 1. So minus 1, then C12 is minus 2, then C21 is 3, then C22 is 4. So this is our matrix of cofactors. Now we will find adjoint. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means P transpose. So P transpose means transpose of this matrix. So now transpose of any matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. So we'll interchange rows and column. So your first row is minus 1, minus 2. So first column will be minus 1, minus 2. Then second row is 3, 4. So second column is 3 and 4. So this is adjoint of A. Now next sum is find adjoint of a matrix 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. So this is our matrix A. So we'll write determinant of A. Now corresponding signs. The corresponding signs for matrix of order 3 cross 3 is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So first is C11. So C11 means this element corresponding sign is plus. So plus, it is in first row, first column. So delete first row, first column. It will be 2, 3, 1, 2. So determinant of 2, 3, 1, 2. So 2 into 2, 4, minus 1 into 3, 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then next is C12. Second element corresponding sign is minus. It is in first row, second column. So delete first row and second column. So it is 1, 3, 3, 2. So determinant of 1, 3, 3, 2. So minus sign. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 3 into 3, 9. So 2 minus 9 is minus 7. And this minus. So minus minus plus 7. Then next is C13. So C13. C13 means this element corresponding sign is plus. So plus, it is in first row, third column. So delete first row, third column. So remaining elements are 1, 2, 3, 1. So determinant of 1, 2, 3, 1. So 1 into 1, 1, minus 3 into 2, 6. So 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. Next is C21. This element corresponding sign is minus. So minus, it is in second row and first column. So just delete second row and first column. So it is 3, 1, 1, 2. So determinant of 3, 1, 1, 2. So minus sign and 3 into 2, 6, minus 1 into 1, 1. So 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it's minus 5. Now next is C22. C22 means this element corresponding sign is plus. So plus, it is in second row and second column. So just delete second row and second column. So it is 2, 1, 3, 2. So 2, 1, 3, 2. So 2 into 2, 4, minus 3 into 1, 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Then next is C23. So C23 means this last element. Now corresponding sign is minus. then this element is in second row and third column. So just delete second row and third column. So it is 2, 3, 3, 1. So determinant of 2, 3, 3, 1. So C 2, 3 is equal to minus sign and determinant of 2, 3, 3, 1. So minus sign as it is, then 2 into 1, 2, minus 3 into 3, 9. So 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 is minus 7 and this minus sign. So minus minus plus 7. Next element is C31. So for C31 means this element. Corresponding sign is plus and it is in third row, first column. So delete third row and first column. So it will be 3, 1, 2, 3. So plus sign and 3, 1, 2, 3. So C31 is equal to plus sign determinant of 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 3, 9 minus 2 into 1, 2. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Now next is C32. So C32 means this element, corresponding sign minus, it is in third row, second column. So delete third row and second column. So 2, 1, 1, 3. So minus sign and 2, 1, 1, 3. So C32 is equal to minus sign and determinant of 2, 1, 1, 3. So minus sign as it is, 2 into 3, 6, minus 1 into 1, 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So it's minus 5. Now next is C33. Now C33 means last element, which is 3, 3, 3. Corresponding sign plus, it is in third row and third column. So delete third row and third column. So it is 2, 3, 1, 2. So plus sign and 2, 3, 1, 2. So C33. So C33 is equal to plus sign determinant of 2, 3, 1, 2. So 2 into 2, 4, minus 1 into 3, 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So P is equal to C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32 and C33. So P is equal to C11 means 1, C12 means 7 and C13 is minus 5. Then C21 is minus 5, C22 is 1, C23 is 7. Then C31 is 7, C32 is minus 5 and C33 is 1. So this is our matrix P, matrix of cofactor. Now we'll find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means P transpose. So transpose of this matrix. So first row is 1, 7, minus 5. So first column will be 1, 7, minus 5. Second row minus 5, 1, 7. So second column minus 5, 1, 7. Then third row is 7, minus 5, 1. So third column is 7, minus 5, 1. So this is our adjoint of A.